Well, it's spring and we're in the perennial garden for the butterfly garden, and we're going to clean it up. And as it looks, most of our perennials have survived: the sedum, the butterfly weed, the Russian sage, the red hot poker plant, and the monarda here, and we've got some echinacea over there, so coneflowers. So our heliotrope is actually coming back from the roots, so that's great. I'm cutting back these to where it's alive. The heliotrope is alive. You don't want to pull these, you want to cut the dead off. These are alive, some of these stems, so you don't want to cut those back. And the Russian sage. So we're just going to carefully cut each stem off. Well, here's the zinnias from last year, and so we're going to take them out, and of course we'll be replacing them. There, we've got most of it cleaned out, and we're ready to plant annuals.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.